In this video, I want to talk about how you can trade CFDs on eToro. Now to do this, what you need to do is you need to head over to your account and you need to apply for CFD trading. Now how you do this is you simply just want to complete the questionnaire on your account, and if you answer the correct questions for CFD trading, then you will be able to do CFD trading. Then what you want to do after is just head over to Discover. You can either search for CFD and look at the ones in here, or you can go to indices and find the CFD that you want to trade in here. So let's say you want to trade, let's just choose this one. Then you want to come in here and press trade. Obviously I don't have it on my account, but you need to make sure that you you answer the CFD questions on your account, and then you can trade the CFDs. So this is the only way that you can do this on eToro, but this is about it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.